host Canavar, former student, now a practice teacher of his alma
Sir Martin,
mater.
this one is special sa'yo. Kasi dito ka nag-aral eh. From grade 7 hanggang ngayon, ay parang nandito ka pa rin sa school na to. Kaya this one is special. Kayo yung generation na susunod eh. At na-imagine ko na ikaw yung magiging teacher din dito. Parang ganun yung vision ko sa'yo. At I am thankful na dito pa lang sa college, ginagawa mo na yung best mo. Kita naman sa IMs mo, talagang ready ka na. You are ready for something great in the future. Ayan. Energy, IMs, nandyan lahat. Lalo na grade 7 yung mga bata. Sasabayan mo sila eh. Dumay grade 7 natin eh. Ibang-iba po ang grade 7 ngayon. And your energy is very potential for this kind of learners. You really own the classroom during the observation. But of course, we also need to, even though we own the classroom,